Okay, here's a face we just finished, and then I'll show you on some of the lights that we use. You know, like we say, this is a dollar store set of lights. And we'll kind of show how to install them into the faces. Get it untangled there. Basically, is you put your hand behind it, set your light in like this, the base, at an angle, and give it just some pressure, and then a twist. See? Then it pops right in. A little bit of angle, like that, a little pressure. That's it. Basically, you want to bring your base, you know, out to the edge, like that, or like that, or like that, and then they hold in very well.
See, they don't wiggle. They're nice and snug.
And then here's another set. I believe these are like Kmart's or Lowe's. I can't remember for sure.
One of the big stores.
This is 100 strand, and on these you use a combination of 10s, 20s, 15s, 35s, 50s, some of the 70s, but you got to find the ones that don't have the square bases. Some of them 70s are square based, and then hundreds. But the same thing, a little bit of an angle, so that kind of gets your base in there like that a little bit. And then, of course, put your hand behind it to give yourself a little bit of support. And then apply some pressure, and then a little bit of twist. Like that. At an angle, a little bit of a twist, and it pops right back in.